Myself Ankita Joshi. Children, today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 12, Understanding the Map. In this lesson we will study about atlas map, then types of map. There are two types of map, thematic map and scale based map. Okay, so now you know why do we use map. If you want to go to different place, how do we go? अगर हमें कोई एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना हो और हमें पता नहीं हो प्लेस, तो how do we go? We go through map. So map is very useful for us. Tourists visit different tourist destinations of Gujarat like Somnath, Dwarka, Tarmeter, Ambaji, Dordo, Saputara, etc. In spite of being unknown with the geographical area of tourist destinations, they can reach the destination very easily. The tourists, they go to different places. They go to their favorite destinations. So if they don't know their how to reach there, like from Gujarat, like Somnath, Dwarka, Tarnetar, Ambaji, Dordo, Saputara, etc. In spite of them, they don't know the place, but then also they reach to their destination place. So how they reach to the destination place? Through the. So what is the reason of it? The reason क्या है? So the reason is only that they have a map. So how can we reach to our destination place? If we don't know the place, if we don't know the route, we can go through a map. So it will be very easy for us. They can receive information of tourist spots, destination by reading different maps. In present times, maps have proved very useful for many other objectives besides tour. Today, in the age of science and technology, you can reach any place in the world with the help of GPS. So GPS, as we know, in our mobile phone is there. So GPS means full form is Global Positioning System. GPS full form is Global Positioning System. So now let us understand the map in this chapter. So globe of the earth is very important. The globe of the earth is very important to study the earth, but map is more important. Map is more important to study any one continent, country, state, district, taluka, city, or any village in the of the earth. Now, so with the map we can study. Through map we can study about any continent. Any continent we can study through map. Then country, so we can study through map. We get information about country through map easily. Then state also we can get information through map. Only district, taluka, city, or any village of the earth we can get easily information through map. The word map is also called naksha in Hindi. हिंदी में हम लोग मैप को क्या कहेंगे? नक्शा. हम लोग देखा होगा कि हम गुजरात में यहाँ पे जाए उसका नक्शा क्या है दिखा हो तो, so we can easily get it. Now, so map word is derived from the Latin word mappa mundi. So map word is derived from the Latin word. This thing you have to remember that map word is derived from the Latin word mappa mundi, and the meaning of it is the piece of cloth that can be held in the hand. आपने देखा होगा मैप, अभी मैप मिलते हैं हम लोग स्कूल में भी फॉर्म मैप फिल करते हैं. तो एक मैप क्या है? पीस ऑफ क्लोथ दैट वी कैन इजीली हैंड इन द हैंड, जो हमारे हाथ में आराम से आ सकता है. सो इन जनरल साइंस, drawing of the earth's surface or any one patch of the earth on the plain flat paper is known as map. This is the definition of map, so you have to remember this, that in general, science of drawing means the drawing of earth's surface or any one part of the earth. Drawing of earth's surface or any one patch of the earth on the plain flat paper. On the plain flat paper which you draw, that is known as map. Many details of any large area can be included in the map. So now we will study about atlas map. You have already seen atlas. आप सब ने देखा होगा atlas. तो atlas में क्या देखते हैं हम लोग? Different types of map. Okay. So atlas is a collection of map. Atlas क्या है? एक collection of map which shows various details of earth. That shows various details of the earth or its larger part. It contains political administrative, natural and cultural details. In the atlas you will see that it is a collection of map and it contains political, administrative, management, natural and cultural details. Now, complete details of any concerned regions can be known by map. So, if you want complete details of any regions, any concerned regions, you can easily known by map. Map shows important details of various regions like physical details. So, map shows important details like various regions like of physical details like mountains, plateau, plain, river, lake, etc. These are called physical details. And cultural, transportation, industries, farming, irrigation, etc. too. So if you remember that map shows important details of various regions like physical details. What? Like physical details, in that it contains mountain, plateau, river, plain and lake, etc. And in cultural, transportation, in cultural it will come transportations, industries, farming, irrigations, etc. too. Now here there are two types of map. I have told you that there are two types of map which are thematic map and scale based map. Which map? Thematic map and scale based map. So now we will study what is thematic map. Such type of maps are prepared according to the requirement of necessary details. What? The requirement of necessary details. Thematic maps are categorized in two main sections. Thematic map is categorized in two main sections. They based on natural and cultural details. Which? Natural and cultural details. So remember that thematic map in thematic map there are two types of maps. Okay, in thematic maps it is categorized in two main sections, which is natural map and in thematic map which will come natural map. One is natural map and other is cultural map. Natural map and cultural map. So if you remember this, in thematic map there are two types of map. One is we got information about natural map and other is cultural map. It is categorized in two types, two main sections. Now scale based map. We will study about scale based map. Thematic map you understand, natural map and cultural map, and now we will study about scale based map. Map shows physical details is called scale based map. The map that shows physical details, we will show physical details and it is called scale based map. Scale based map displays and showcases natural landform like mountain, plateau, plain, rivers, oceans, etc. So scale based map it shows the natural landform. In scale based map it shows natural landform like mountains, plateau, plain, rivers, oceans, etc. And maps showing the details of this map show also the details of wild animals. That in this place there are this much lions are there, this much tigers are there. So wild animals, vegetation, forest, minerals, etc. are the part of scale based map. So to remember this also that in scale based map, natural landform we get the detailed information like natural landform like mountain, plateau, plain, rivers, oceans, and the map should also show details of wild animals, vegetations, forest, minerals. These all are the part of scale based map. Now in the scale based map, I will just show you. The scale based map is also categorized in different form. In scale based map, so in scale based map we show different form. What are they? First one is topographic map. What we got in scale based? Topographic map. map. And third one is astronomical map. Astronomical map. Scale based map, three types of map. Topographic map. Again I'm telling you, topographic map, climate map, and astronomical map. Okay, now let's study about topographic map. In that, it will contain the landscape like mountains, plateau, plains, waterways, etc. shows. In topographic map, what it will show? It will landscape like mountains. You will get information about mountains, then plateaus, and plains, waterways. These all are included in topographic map. Okay, these all are shown in this type of map. These all are shown: mountains, plateaus, plains, waterways are shown in topographic map. Now climate map, as is shown in the television, that you get information that यहाँ पे बारिश ज़्यादा होने वाली है. Climate map. Okay, so it is called climate map. कि आज ठंडी इतनी डिग्री होने वाली है, इतनी गर्मी इस प्लेस में होने वाली है. That all you will get information from climate map. In news we are seeing only. So in climate map, what is it be? So this map focuses the details of climate, temperature, rainfall, and winds. So in climate, you will see about information about temperature, how much temperature there is, and okay, like that. Then rainfall. But in this area, today rainfall is more or less. Okay, अब बारिश स्टार्ट होने वाली, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा होने वाली बारिश. Okay, so this all information we get from climate map. Now, astronomical map. In that we get information about celestial bodies like planets, satellites, galaxies, stars, constellations. Constellation means we have already discussed. In constellations means a group of stars which shows different shapes. So these are all shown in the astronomical map. In astronomical map, we get information about planets, satellites. You remember that in an astronomical map, we get information about planets, satellites, okay. So in astronomical map, we get information about celestial bodies like planets, satellites, galaxies, stars, and constellations are shown in astronomical map. These all are shown in astronomical map. That आज सूर्य ग्रहण होने वाला है, चंद्र ग्रहण होगा इस टाइम पे. This all information we get from astronomical map. Now we will study about cultural map. What? Cultural map. The map which outlines the man-made details. Man-made details is called cultural map. So, the map which outlines the map which outlines the man-made, जिस मतलब indicates the detail by man, जो हमने बनाई, which indicates the details by man, is called cultural cultural maps. This map outlines the various human activities. The map of states, farming, populations, transportations are the examples of cultural map. So you have to remember that in cultural map, it shows the map of the states. In the cultural map, you will get the various human activities. Okay, so map of state, farming, population, transportation. These all are the example of cultural map. In cultural map also included cultural map also. In cultural map political map. Which one? Political. Cultural map include political map, which is mind-made. Okay, then industrial map. And third is historical map. So in cultural map, which maps are included? Political map, industrial map, and historical map. These all maps are included in the cultural maps. Okay, now let's study one by one. What is political map? So the map which shows the details of continent, country, local administrations, and their frontier are called political map. It shows the details of, in political map, it shows the details of continent, country, local administrations. Okay, now we study about industrial map. So this map shows the detail of industries, industrial sector. In industrial map, which shows the details of industrial sector, phase history of industries and production. कितना production हुआ है industry में, that all. We get the information through industrial map. And third one, historical map. The historical map, the map which shows history of regional and natural administrations. In this map, in historical map, वो हमें क्या दिखाता है? The historical map shows the history of regional and national administration. Regional and national administration, and it is called historical map. So you have to remember this till here. I hope you understand this. Cultural map, political map, industrial map, and historical map. Children, you have to read this lesson twice and thrice. Next we will type of map on the basis of skills that we will study in the next part. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.